Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Chrissy. Today I'm reviewing the Bobbi Boss 4x4 HD frontal in the style MLF 441 Levy. Why we can't just say Levy? Why we gotta have that social security number, Bobbi? You know it's hard for us to say. So the color I have is TT4/3427. This color is so pretty, guys. It's like this copper with this kind of like blondish underneath in the back. It has that 4x4 closure in the front, your two combs, and your adjustable strap. So I put this on, and honestly, I think this cap feels pretty good. I just did a braided video. I think if you braid your hair all the way down, it makes a difference. Check that video out. I'll leave it in the cards. But I'm looking at this color, guys, and I'm really feeling it. This does not look like a synthetic blend at all. Like, the color is great. The texture feels amazing. I like this dark root that they put all throughout it. I'm just going in and plucking out some hairs in the front. I think you can get away with just wearing this unit the way it comes, but just because I didn't know if I wanted to wear her up or down, I went ahead and plucked some hairs. So after I went ahead and plucked these hairs, I just went ahead and applied some makeup on my lace off camera. I did that to blend it. The lace looks pretty good, but for my complexion, I felt like it needed to be blended a little bit more. I couldn't decide if I wanted to go in glueless or not. Initially, I wanted to do glueless, so that's why I grabbed my wig grip. Then I attempted to cut this lace, and girl, I can't see. I had to cut it off my head. So I put it on and I really like it. So here I'm just showing you the frontal. It's a lot of good parting space in here, guys. Like, it's really good. 4x4 initially, I was like, I don't know about this, but I think it works. It really works for this style. I couldn't keep my hands out of this unit, y'all. Like, the texture feels really, really good. It feels like that nice premium Bobbi Boss fiber. And it's not too silky and it's not yucky, but it's like a light yucky, but a good weight to it. So I think if you wanted to get away with not putting it up and just wearing like a side part, you absolutely could wear this unit glueless. That's me just showing you guys that you can get away with that. But because I wanted a more melted look, oh my god, these ends. What is up with these ends, girl? I just want to pull them. So I was being really lazy. I know I should have probably grabbed the flat iron, but I was like, let me try to razor out these ends because they just were really, really bumped. And I was like, I don't know. But then I decided that razor didn't work. So don't do that. So I did decide to go ahead and just kind of secure the front because I did want that melted look. And I must say, I think this lace melts really good. It blends really well. I like this lace. Like, I think it's better than before. So I'm just showing you guys here the flow of this unit. Girl, look at that. I feel like I had a human hair wig on. I thought I was somebody. So I'm just showing you the back. This wig reminds me of Lena. Like, I was in love with Bobbi Boss Lena, and this wig feels like an upgraded version with a 4x4 closure. So I'm just showing you guys that you can do a middle part, but I'm just gonna go with the side because it just kind of was flowing better going to the side and I didn't feel like getting my hot iron. Guys, this wig is a winner for me. It's $30, and girl, you see that? Look at this girl right here. Tell me we ain't ready to be outside of quarantine. Bobbi Boss did what they need to do and they came through. They do not disappoint. I say it all the time, and I am really, really impressed with this unit. I think for $30, it's a great buy. It flows good. It looks good. Let me know how you guys feel. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.